What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Go, 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 no, go, 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 go. Don't pee right here. Go, 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 go. Good boy, Killer. Go, 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 go. So, I'm trying to get Killer. Kane could go without a leash. Killer will literally run miles away. He happy to be out. Good boy. What's up, dude? Good boy. Go. Killer literally be full of pee. Tank load. And Kane gonna come in when I go in because he attached to me literally. But Killer, not yet. Let's go. Go, Kane. And next is Milo's time. Get off my feet. No. All right, go. No. No. Go. Go. Come on. And yeah, Milo is not like Kane, but he'll just listen.
Synchronized dances, so when we get old, we're raw as fuck.
Okay.
Not these new TikTok dances, no. Like real dance.
Yeah, TikTok is ass. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this snake has never been misted before. And she's cranky as fuck, but she's enjoying it. Just trying to drink it up. Drink it up. And the guy we got her from was literally had her in a small ass container with about 20 or 30 of them. And she was the biggest one, that's why I got her. So yeah, can't wait to get some substrate in here, some more stuff for her to climb on. And yeah, I'm gonna mist her a little bit more, give her some more water in the bowls. And she's also shedding. And I've never seen her climb. It's really cool. Oh, not happy. Not happy. Go in your cage. Go in your enclosure, please. She's just waiting for me. Oh my God. I just got out the shower and I feel like a new man. So, oh man, look at Cuddles soaking up some halfway sunlight. Cuddles on her other cage scratched herself a little, trying to escape, actually escaping. So now she'll shed it out. It'll be looking perfect all the way around. You can see how thick she is. She's really healthy. I've actually had Cuddles for about 5 years, 6 years now. It's crazy. And the rainbow boat is still back there on the heat pad, right over there. I'm gonna leave her alone because I want her to get acclimated. And uh-oh, here's a crackhead. Come here. Come here, boy. No, don't eat that dog food. It's not good for you. Really lizard food. Come on. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh. He's crazy. Oh, he's crazy, though. I want to do something, but I don't know if she can do it anymore. I want to have Monster jump on me to the banana, but I got to put a hoodie on because she going to scratch me up. Oh, my goodness. SeaWorld, how are y'all doing in this bitch? It's just all type of species in here. We got some red ear slider, Florida yellow bellies, male and female. We got some poop back there. We got a black fish, a brown fish, a rock, a goldfish, a orange and black fish, a black and orange fish. Oh, didn't think I was gonna say that. Some more pebbles. And look at that, it's turned. Anisha said it was upside down. I think she meant backwards. She just so mean to me sometimes. You! I was like, babe, it's not upside down. It's just backwards. It's upside down. You're an idiot.
I did not say that. I said
Oh, you look so good. Uh-oh, the laundry. I'm sorry. Kill her. Get her. Attack. 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 Ooh. Attack. Get her. Oh. That's a big ass dog. I'll kill her. Would you fight him?
oh my goodness, what are you like?
Oh! I see where I turned the thingamajigs around. And I really wish my African chichlets could coexist in this big ass tank, but they can't. Oh, these guys look so good. She looks good. Here they are. My 3 fish that are supposed to be dead. Let's show y'all how to clean the tank. So, we take this bucket. Whenever I see these bubbles, I just go ahead and do one of these. Oh my gosh. So I realized I can't have the flash on because these fish are albino. They didn't want to come get the food. Oops. I ain't dropped close enough. I ain't dropped close enough. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, they're such aggressive feeders. And they're beautiful fish. Like, you can't really see them like this, but they're, hey, stop crying. They're just cool to have. Really cool to have. And before I end this first part of the vlog, I might just cut this short after I do these 3 things and start another video because I didn't record much yesterday. We're gonna check on the Savannah monitors. I'm gonna handle Bubba, and I'm gonna try to get the iguana to come out for some food and work with me and climb on me and not eat my dreads. So let's check on these. I'm hoping one of these niggas ain't get out, but it's possible all 3 of them are back there. So I'm gonna take this out and we're gonna check. What's up, Milo? Milo, what's up? You looking at the animals? Yeah, like I suspected, one of them is missing. God fucking damn it. So, I've been keeping reptiles since I was 5 months old. I got my first 17-foot reticulated python when I was 7 months old. No, I'm just kidding. But I have been keeping reptiles since I was like 7 years old. And a lot of shit has escaped and got out. Damn, babe, you ain't telling me my hair is looking crazy. A lot of shit has got out. And usually with reptiles, it's under something or where it's warm at. Because all they want to do is hide or go to heat. So we found her and I'm gonna show y'all where she was at. Under their enclosure, right there, you should be able to see her. Yup, sleeping. So I'm just gonna grab her. Ooh, woke right up. And look who it is, y'all. Nice, healthy Savannah. Got dust on your face. Put you right there for a minute. Somebody's hissing at me. Ooh, don't like being held, do you? Shouldn't have escaped. I don't handle these guys much. I just got them. But when they do all the hissing and squiggling around, I hold them a little tighter, just a little bit. And when they stop, that's when I put them down. Because putting them down is their reward. So I want them to get as calm as possible. And I'm not going to reward them for squiggling around and trying to attack me, because then that's like, oh, every time I want to get put down, all I got to do is be mean and attack. No. So I just hold a little tighter when he does that. Now he stopped, so I can put him back. Okay, so I set it up a little different. They can still go back, but not as far. And yeah, so. So for the next part, like I said, I'm gonna be working with Monster, the rhinoceros iguana, who I'm trying to tame down. And she loves bananas, and what she actually used to do, I'm gonna put my hoodie on so she can do it, climb over to get the banana. So, strapped up and ready to go. What's up, Bubba? You stay in there. Oh yeah. She's gonna jump on me. Good job. Oh yeah. Come on. Yep. 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 Good job. Good job. Let me peel some for you. All right, don't jump. Oh, get her to come down here for it. Good job, girl. You're awesome. Come on. Look. Oh, you gotta come down some. Come on. You gotta come down. Let's go. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Peel some more for you. Hold on. Oh, yeah. All right. I'll wait for you. Isn't she cool? Yes, you are. She's trying to get all the food. She's crazy. She is crazy. I tried to rub her, but she's in food mode, so she doesn't. We still working on her with that part. And when I get her a better cage that can open up, she'll do way better. But she's also on my shoulder. We haven't done this in literally like a year, so she's not used to this. Good girl. And rhinoceros iguanas used to be endangered. In the wild, I think they still are. But I think about like 6 years ago, they got real popular in the pet trade. And so people started breeding them for insurance colonies. And now there are so many captive bred rhino iguanas that they'll never go extinct. These guys are like dinosaurs. Look at her. And when she gets outside, I just know she's gonna get huge. She's gonna get bigger and bigger here too, because when I got her, she was like this big, but pretty cool. Let's see if we can get her to go back in. Where you going? Where you going? Into your enclosure? Go ahead. Go. You gonna go? I don't think she's gonna go back. Oh! Alright, so if y'all don't know, this is Bubba, my baby American alligator, and she's trained to come when I say Bubba. Bubba. You heard her? Bubba. Good job, Bubba. Good job. Now we're feeding the dog. We just ate. We in the shower, ate. I done recorded a little bit. So now we're feeding the dogs. What's up, dude? All by 12 o'clock. And this is the iguanas, bananas, blackberries, spinach, greens. Come get it. Killer, stop! Look who's coming to the food. Don't step all in it. Oh, another one's coming down. That's good. That's starting to know where food is. This dog is barking so damn loud. Killer, stop! When I said the lick was out, better go back and get your food before your man's done. Boy, Milo, he watched Lil Mama escape and didn't come chase her. But look at how big she is. Ooh, ouch, ouch, ouch. And so I calcium dusted. I gave them mostly bananas and berries and some spinach, some greens. But yeah, so I'm gonna put her tail back in, and she's so calm. I can touch her or him while they're eating. Good job. Nope, my hands aren't food. Good boy. All right, I'm gonna go get your water. Female, male, Big Papa, and Lil Mama. Caught this dude down here eating. Stevie Wonder. He gonna run away now. That's his tail regrowing. And yeah. And that's the beautiful Helen Keller in the back. My blind baby albinos, unrelated pair, so they're not brother and sister. And there she is. She ate a whole banana, but of course she's still gonna be hungry. So I'm gonna lure her over to this side. Let me show you how I do that. Because that's where I feed her, but that's also where she's basking until I get more basking area. So I'm gonna lure her. And I'm not gonna trick her since she came down. I'm gonna give her let's get a banana. There we go. She walked over here really quick. And she'll eat all of that up. And that has cleared the plate. Here you go, my babies. Looking nice and humid over here. Let's see. Oh yeah, I feel like Florida. Here you go, girl. And here he comes. His shell is rounding out too, but not as good as this one. Let's look at it. Pyramids were really starting to form at first, but you can definitely see they're rounding out, so that's good. It's nap time. Oh, look at the Savannah monitors.